This is William McClain, your South Florida real estate specialist, and today I am pleased to present to you a brand new listing, this time located in the prestigious Upper North Bay Road section of Miami Beach, 5625 North Bay Road. Let's check it out. Situated in one of Miami Beach's most coveted neighborhoods, this 2008-built modern residence offers the rare advantage of newer construction with the flexibility to customize to your own vision. Featuring beautiful high ceilings, spacious open living areas, and a gourmet kitchen, this home provides an ideal foundation for additional refinement or further transformation. The backyard provides privacy along with lush tropical landscaping, a beautiful pool, and generous outdoor entertaining space. The upper level of the home features 3 oversized bedrooms, all with balconies and private ensuite bathrooms. Whether you're looking to enhance the existing layout or create a custom dream estate, this property delivers unparalleled potential, location, and value in the heart of Miami Beach. For more information on 5625 North Bay Road, click the link in the video description below, or you can visit my website, williambmcclain.com. Thanks so much for watching.